Let's talk about Jorvik 24 Dutch style electric aluminium folding tricycle travel trike 250 watts 36 volts. $250W motor 36V 10 AMPH battery, quick release folding frame, EAPC regulated throttle paw. KENDRA tires and front rear baskets. Not a conversion kit aluminium frame front suspension. Zero finance available for UK customers. UK company free 1 year's parts warranty. All tricycles are delivered flat pack as standard unless agreed otherwise and will require professional build with the correct tools.